Good morning, cadets, and welcome back to the 2021 school year. My name is Sergeant Heward Harrell. I'll be your instructor for JCC. For some of you, this is the first time you'll have met me. For others, I've had you for 2 or even 3 years. I'm super excited about this year and what we have going on, and so I wanted to give you a walkthrough so you could see where the information is and where you need to go in order to be able to get to all the different sites. So, first thing is, you're going to end up going to My Apps or My Fort Worth, myfwisd.org, and then from there we're going to go down to Google Classroom. So you click on Google Classroom. Now you're going to see my page that has more classrooms in it. However, you'll be able to see each one of yours when you join, right? So each class, so we have Stripling Junior Cadet Corps, Period 1, Period 3, Period 5, Period 6, and Period 7. So I'm just going to use Period 1 just to kind of walk you guys through this. Your join code for this is WPPF, the number 4, F, and D as in Delta. I have this posted on the website that I'm going to show you in a second, so you'll be able to get to that through there. In the stream, you're going to see a list of things that are posted. This is information. It is to highlight, what's coming up, what it is that you need to get done, what expectations we have, and what we're looking at. Now, when we go to classwork, where you'll actually see different things. So like this weekly virtual classroom, this will be turned on for you when you come in on Tuesday. Any recordings that we do, so each week when we do our Google Meet, those will be recorded here. Support materials, this is the calendar for the year. This is the new cadet handbook. Okay, this is an assignment that you'll have, and then predominantly for the week of 8 through 11, we're going to do this welcome back, the Stripling Middle School I Am a Cadet, which is your commitment to the program, the JCC syllabus, and this is for us to get to know each other, and then evolution of the U.S. Army uniform, which is information for you. All right, now, if we go to the site, and this is a site that you'll have access to as well, here, any announcements on what it is that we have that's going on that week will be posted here. So like week 1, September 8 to September 11. Next week, or the week after, we'll have week 2, right? So all that stuff's going to be there. If you scroll on down, lesson plans. Now these are going to be updated right now. It's the entire year. I'm going to change it to just being by the week. This will take you where it says click. For those of you that are new to the program or want to learn more about me, you can click here. It's going to take you to a website that gives you some of my background in history. This is my email address, and this is a good telephone number that you can text me if you need to get in touch with me. Now, every Monday we're going to meet for 20 minutes. That's going to be for me to introduce the lessons to you. And then every day I have virtual office hours from 1:30 to 2:30. So, I'm available for you if you have questions on what the assignments are and all that kind of stuff. Now, for the Google Meet that we're going to do, which if you will look back in your classwork here or in the stream, so you're going to click on Google Meet, and that's going to open up a Google Meet, and then where it says join or start a meeting, you're going to click that, and then here you're going to type in a code. So the code for what we are doing is SMSJCC, and then whatever your period number is, like period 1 or period 2 or period 3, etc. Okay? And so you'll type that in, and then it'll put you into a waiting room, and then when I start the meeting, it'll let you in, and we'll do our meeting that way. Continuing down, this is another version of the syllabus for you, and this is a version of the class schedule, which I'm going to pull up in just a second. And then each week I'm going to have a list of the assignments posted here so that you and your parents can keep track of what it is that we have going on. So I'm going to go ahead and open that so you can see it. So we have on September 8th, you have the Welcome Back Menti. That's in the Google Classroom. The Sterling Middle School, I'm a Cadet in the Google Classroom. Getting to know each other, Google Classroom. Syllabus, Evolution of the Army, U.S. Army Uniform, Remembering 9/11, and then a weekly review. So these are the things that are going to happen this upcoming week, and you can see the date. These are the dates that they are due, so you'll want to make sure that you're checking that out. So let's look at the schedule here. All right, so Monday, first period is going to meet from 9 to 9:20. Third period would be from 9:50 to 10:10. Fifth period would be from 10:40 to 11. Sixth period would be 11:05 to 11:25. Seventh period would be from 11:30 to 11:50. Okay, so that's Monday of every week. We go down here to the asynchronous. Sorry. When we come down here, office hours. Now I know this is cut off. I also will post this into the Google Classroom for you as well. But our office hours are 1:30 to 2:30 every day. So every day you'll be able to log in, ask me questions, email me during that period of time, send me a text message during that period of time. I will be here for you to help you out. Now if we look at the rest of the week, okay, so the rest of the week, Tuesday, which is September 8th is Tuesday, so I'll be with first period from 9 to 9:35. I'll be with third period from 10:30 to 11:05, and then the afternoon, 5th, 6th, and 7th period, you guys are working remotely. All right. Obviously, if you have questions, you can always go into the Google Classroom or go into the office hours or whatever else. Wednesday, I'll be with 5th period at 9 to 9:35, 6th period from 9:45 to 10:20. 7th period from 10:30 to 11:05, and then homeroom 11:15 to 11:50. Okay, now and then it repeats Thursday and it repeats Friday. Now understand this period of time up here, it says 15 minutes of direct instruction and then 20 minutes of guided practice work on asynchronous assignments. What that means, folks, is that there'll be 15 minutes where I'm directly introducing whatever it is that's happening that day or what the expectations are, and then it is your job to then use that 20 minutes of guided time to be able to do the work. If you have questions, I can help you while we're together. Expectations on Google Meets. Folks, I have to see your face, and you have to use both your first and last name when you identify yourself, because I'm taking attendance. If you don't show your face, if you don't use your full name, I'm going to mark you absent. So make sure you're always showing your face, just like I'm showing my face to you. This is all the same. Okay? All right, let me shrink that down. Now, Google Classroom links. So I've emailed this the link to this site to your parents and to you. So you can go ahead and go into Google Classroom here. Click that, and these are the links for each of the classes. So, first period JCC, this is your Google class code. Third period JCC, this is your Google class code. Fifth period, this is your Google class code, etc. So you can go ahead and join the classes. Now, just to clarify on joining classes, in case some of you have never done this before, what you're going to do, we're going to go back here. We're going to go to classes. So when you get to your Google Classroom through the My FWISD apps, you're going to click on the plus, you're going to click on Join Class, and then you're going to type in whatever that class code is, right? And then hit enter, and then that will connect you to the class. So all that being said, folks, I'm super excited about what we have going on this year. I think it's going to be a fantastic period of time. And so, you know, I'm looking forward to what we're going to accomplish, and you know, let's just make it a great week. So, see you in the classroom.